finish off the shop. So see the shop well flattened out. Are your grandfather? See fire, yeah? Are your grandfather and Billy? What's your name again? Apache.
Wrol call me Lion King.
Oh, what Wrol call you Zion King?
Lion King.
Oh, Lion King. Yes, so right now we're there with the Lion King. You see me? So I said that shop here, I did in grandfather build it. But the whole like shell down now because when I pass it, when I do the first treehouse video, it was standing there.
When you breeze liquid, so we have it set some man. When you breeze liquid, so you have head back and ducking man.
As I breeze up there, wicked?
Yes.
You did down there run a party now.
Listen to me, man. The soup at the bonfire.
See it kitchen gone.
Eh?
Yeah, man. May I show you kitchen, yeah?
Yeah, man, not wrong, man.
Okay, because you know what thing go. We have to be mindful, see me. So all I want to ask me, say, why put him the one thing kitchen show?
That's all right.
Say good, man.
Out of door vibes, you know, why use and what not use.
Nah, use.
Yeah, man.
So I say when we forward, you know, yesterday did well cover up and thing.
Some
and
things abandoned and something in action, see we is it, but it is what it is.
Mrs. You still a grinding up a thing?
Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with that. You have to do what you have to do, see me. Out of door body, you know.
Oh no, look pan the tree house in the tree.
That is it.
Fully 100%, 110 standing, you know, look like one board or not a drop off of the tree house massive. When you looking at the distance, look on the tree house, well set up in the like our nest. Blessed respect all my Jamaica walk by massive, how beautiful it is. You know what I mean? This is a video where you been anticipated, you been as a walk by, you know, forward back a yard and capture what go on with the tree house. You want to see what Wrol deal with. You want to know if you look at you good. And for all like massive them would ask me what name, me nickname a Q-tip. But that's thinking, because only Jamaicans alone can get away with names like that. You understand? So if they have Q-tip and nickname, so you can always say, yo, Q-tip, you know, big up our respect. You see what I say? So yes, massive. So we are currently in Mayfield, Manchester. I would ride on a nice, easy, breezy hillside. I go and look where I go on. And right now, let me tell you, I've not seen the tree house as yet. You understand me? This time my mind say, me not see it before, uno see it. So all of we are going to see it together as to what really take place. So or if anybody are join right now, we never see the tree house, uno just go watch the video when we do before and see what it did look like, and we're going to see what it look like now after Hurricane Melissa. So if you're not ready, you just comment in the comment section right now, say ready, let's go. You understand? Me I wait and make sure you like the video right now. Me I wait, bro. We are wait. Like the video. Me now start walk off it until you not like the video. The first video me ask it 10,000 likes and I run it up nearly. Me never sure how much likes it got now. So that video yeah, make it go for 50,000. Since you know test me and show me say you know support the channel the right way, me I ask you for 50,000 likes. You understand? So me say 10 and you double and show me say yo, you no bother than me when time I come for like the video. So yo, me I ask you for 50,000 likes on that one right now. So I start like it now. So we're there in Mayfield. You understand? Right up on my right hand side, you can see say the hurricane run through all of them places. They leave, then goes a boom and beat off a tree. But the meat of the matter is we're gonna walk like a little bit of distance on the road, go towards the tree house. You see me? I say, big up yourself, my teacher. And my brother them up there, so you know what I mean? So one soldier there, I give me a yell. You good? That a code, man. All me see what I go on is like some of my tree them get look a rackle up. But God no good seeing way, man. That is it, man. Me see some people, me down on my yard, I say, boy, whole heap of water come in through my window, them are sitting. But when me see what I go on, me have to tell God, thank you for your way you give me. Yes, man. So, with there, man, heart of love. As you can see, I just couple trees and things them side there, where, you know, leaf blow off of them. Some of them drop, and other than good thing there. So, make you walk to the tree house and show you how the environment stay going to the tree house. Let's go. Yes, so I don't know me video already. Camera not gonna really depend on me. Me just show you the environment and make the video be about what you need to see and everything, because you don't see me already. You see me I say? So right now this place is called Mayfield in Manchester. And as you can see, the hurricane rattled up the place. Look good. The hurricane rattled up the place. In the far distance over there, there's a little community over there so as well, where you know some houses there. You can see say them lose a few little thing, whole heap of big tree drop down and all of them thing there, but them still alright. Unfortunately for my general writer, so fire. A fire me call him a Rasta. You are gonna make him tell you back him name, because I honestly don't remember. But when I forward me, I say one shop did the writer so. So I show me say boy, at the hurricane finish off the shop. So see the shop well flattened out. Are your grandfather? See fire here? Are your grandfather and Billy? What's your name again? Apache. Oh, Wrol call it Zion King. Oh, Lion King. Yes, right now we're there with the Lion King. You see me? So I said that shop here, I didn't grandfather build it. But the whole like shell down now because when I pass it, when I do the first treehouse video, it was standing there. You see me I say? Yeah, get it up and running the right way. Yeah. I see the nice foundation and thing it depend. Well sturdy and strong. Over that side there. Yes, over there sense I feel original base. You see me? The sister and the youth, them and the family. Can you see some kids that run up and down? Yeah. So imagine oh this a sound when you're in a house there. Yeah, you saw grill. I watch you go on.
Yeah, man.
Yo. So all in there, you need to worry about your roof and them things there too. Yeah.
When you touch it, when you catch you all and shake the house, so
what they blow?
we call out to father, you know, Mr. Father.
Let me come down here,
Hold
sorry.
up your hand, you know?
Oh, see where you help
see
now.
me I say?
Listen.
Father, hold up your hand. See you here.
Dread.
Yeah, man, and you take off me one piece of, that's up there when you wrap around the front of us.
Oh, you have a cable we wrap down.
But this is a cable weak, and this is if you put pan it.
That one.
Yeah, but 2 minutes, you know, and we look, me see drop off and 2 sheets of zinc lift up. Well, I just stop right away they say.
Right, they say,
break on.
When say thing I lick you off, you say, Father, hold up your hand.
And me say when you break down, you come check me next door, they say I end up down a treehouse, and I have to go check it.
Check Ralph to see if Ralph good.
You see me I say?
Yeah, because so when you come out now, are you see it exactly when time it a tear down?
I come out there someone, me see when it a go down, man. For them coconut tree, them they through the window and watch the coconut tree, them a go down.
Chaja no. Oh, I go past this.
Yeah, man,
Boy, God still good see him way because he all stand up here see him way. What about the water when the rush come down?
Well, water run on the road.
Run on the road on the side. Oh, and see how I look. Oh, yeah, so water can jump through here so too as well. A mad thing, man.
I know one of them day I know me I help out a daughter rainfall go field. Running a piece of mud. Mut him have one bag, him give me a bad ride.
Oh, and the muffler catch your foot.
But drop with me and him.
Oh, you 200 drop off. And the muffler catch your foot. I saw my toe too, you know, me slide on my yard too. Right now, me having 5 stitches in my toe. Me slide and lick up my foot in one piece of the wall and the iron. And chop out my foot. And I just wet the front, the wet, and me I try. You know, everybody I try to look at things to make sure say secure to thing. Yeah, bro. But we're glad we know say you're alright. What is it? Lion King. Lion King. I love my brother. We're there and whole heap of people, boy, them not have it because say right and already. Them house gone, house stop gone.
Down in the west.
Yeah.
You rough down the west.
And me and you there so.
And we there so.
Good. Respect, you know. Lion King. Lion King.
Yeah, man, I Wrol name that.
That's how your name for me now too. Big up our respect, man. I'm gonna take it easy and be safe on the ground. Here, sir?
We can't let go most high, you know.
Not at all.
If we let him go, you know. Might be if we don't call to him, it's the worst.
Can I hear you say, Father God, hold up your
Man,
hand?
that's how me hold up my 2 hands in the house, man. And me say, Father, ease me up.
Ease me up.
You know, say we short of faith, but ease me up. You know?
And him just easy.
And he just took off 2 things for him and say, alright. Me no want the people them see say boy. You don't get no touch.
You don't get no touch. So you want to hold a piece here and big up yourself.
See you here.
Chaja no. Lion King, heart of love. Me a good on a rally now because all know me no see it, you know, because me just say, make me just
just gather the whole thing, man. For my cousin, they are friend when they call me, you know. For after him ends your so you know.
Yeah, so.
He call me and he must say, boy, he see it still, so he must say, boy, if you so in them, me say, I don't know, so my bridging 30 from. You on top your call to me.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
So that means I probably I'll want a film comment, me see where people say, if me could have start from up at the top and come down.
I tell you, say, now just go way up the road and come back.
Yeah, me just start up there so and just say me I come down the ends, you see me?
You whole island, you know.
Big up and respect, man, no joke. So see that just a few coconut trees. See say you do some little clean up work already. Chop up the coconut them.
You also have a big history too, you know. But this is, I'll show you now. I'll show you what. Oh, now come the baby. I'll show you what. You see for the mountain up there, so.
Yeah.
Down, look up there, so. You see the mountain top up there.
Oh, the mountain top over there, see. So massive, the center camera matter.
Alright, yeah, man. You see up there, so now? It's our slavery yard up there, so. It was a slave yard.
On the top of it?
Yeah, man. One big barbecue church out gone out, so.
Me never know that.
A slave tank, one big tank did it. They said when I build hospital. At the same time, slavery abolished.
Same time, slavery abolished, so they just abandon same time. Thanks for sharing that, me general. Yeah, man, we can see it the right way.
Right?
Yeah, and the general, big him up.
Yeah,
What you say?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, one to you say your bridging ends this.
Oh, yeah, man. I'm me say my cousin, man.
Your cousin. What name?
Vinton.
Vinton. Yeah, man. Might be a eating.
in America.
Yeah, what name?
Vinton Carnegie.
Vinton Carnegie. Yeah, big up yourself. Hear that, Vinton.
Yeah, man.
All right, take it easy.
So
Good
when
on
you
there.
see this video now,
MC Wagwan.
much showing on no internet for
Yeah, I realize you don't have current up. A current come back?
No, man. No, the whole of down so in our water, leak down in our water, man.
So no current no person. No. My password is for JPS man still.
Down in our center there. We get the current from, but everything there.
They are grown. Jaja know. So not even know when that the power they are going to restore, you know.
You know?
Jaja know.
The next one I'm general too.
Yeah, big up and respect. Jamaica walk by, you see me? Heart of love. We just a pass through. Show the whole community stay, like a vibe. Go down at treehouse and thing. Soldier, I hear you know. Big up and respect, you see me? So we are good on Wrol and just show to the community how things set up, you see me? Yeah, man. So people, yeah, because people say they want to see them side, yeah. Worse, this show me up here before the hurricane. So I say, I could just pass through. Yeah. Just so. So, where the man name again?
My name Coke.
Mr. Coke.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, Mr. Coke.
Yeah,
How you experience for you with the hurricane?
Really experienced me a lot, you know. See what can say me could have passed away, you know.
John say that means say rough.
Yeah, man, it's terrible, man. But me not tell no lie, man. Me from the Monday, I feel it from the Monday before it come.
You feel it from the Monday before?
Yeah, man. For when me left out, I said I go look at my animal them up, so you know, I want to pick up my old man yeah, there, and I go feed him and say I go circle, come back when I cow them there bush and I move, I go them down the bottom here. And go up and I go up here and tap me up, so. And I shelter and then I go up further. And when I catch up on the mountain there, I go up because to one sign your mark, welcome to a dance alley. And I catch up and before I catch up to the sign to
it's a welcome to rain.
Me go here and want chili make bow. And I say yes I eat now ja. And I start move on and I go up where the container there. And I want the plastic thing where me want bridge and give me from foreigners a raincoat.
I have to draw for.
I for myself. And I couldn't put on it and I go by a little shed part where we saw the shade there. And put on it and turn out and you say me come out. So I have to go bridging.
Sideways you have to walk.
I go when the breeze lick me, so I have to rock back so.
Blow, whoa. It's the rock away you know.
Yeah, I say ja. So you go. I say me move.
And not even the hurricane, that a days before the hurricane.
Yeah, that at the Monday that.
The Monday.
Yeah, when I say ja, your son a pass through, you know. Guide and protect me, you know. I animal them and go. We say me catch where now if you go on one corner here, the pass to orange color house up.
Yeah, up at the top there.
Yeah, at them there. When me catch them, my cousin no did it. Me say John was say me now move on, so tell the rain over back. We go look for me cow them. Me did it. And they and rain start fall. And me a pass all my cousin manure. Me couldn't cover it. And breeze had the
you think about how me get out of this.
Anyway, though, we bypass here and go up there and go deal with there when we up there, man. When you breeze liquid, so we have to check some man. When you breeze liquid, so you have to hide back and ducking, man.
As I breeze up there, wicked?
Yes, I tell you, say, when we don't cover it up and I come down and the rain a beat, when I catch up a yard, I have to change all my clothes up there. And him did it. If I say, I want to go shop and him turn back. I mean, I tell no lie, him did it. Fine, say, go get to buy no food. So, 5 minutes plan to go buy food the Monday.
And then the whole place, sometimes they kind of dreading on.
And him did it, happy Saturday, day, I think share betix me and him. And some syrup we drink here and one pear.
And just simmer down.
And just stand there and watch it. And I tell you, they come in and we watch what go on and how the breeze do the tree and them. And I say,
but your animal them did good though?
Yep, me lose animal.
How much animal they lose?
Me lose 2 goats in a storm
You lose 2 goats?
And me lose some last year. Me tell all the other people them, I not get nothing for it. And the yard where me live in down there, for me steal, but it mash up.
Mash up?
Yeah, man. Me I look through
top of your house?
Yeah. But when me around the Wrol, I go drop off this evening for me, begging my charge 2 phone for me, one of my son.
Oh, Wrol, because you have a little solar thing, them a go on.
Them I go check him now.
I don't them I go to?
I tell you, say.
Jaja, no.
Say, when I catch him in there, man, I circle me animal them done and go there. When I catch a road, man, I tell me, if your house up, I say, I jar works, you know.
Wait, say, somebody tell us if your house up gone?
Yeah, I say, I jar works.
Jaja, no.
If you do that, I say, before you over, we are dead already.
Achoo.
I say, if a man do this, enough man dead already.
Achoo, brother.
Yeah,
me get what you say. So right now, we say, I save right now, can have a little solar thing them a go on so people can get 2 little charge, same speed, and them little thing there.
Yeah, man, it's a good thing, I can help out with.
But you know, so everybody.
When I generator, we go get that thing plug in.
And everybody are worried about him and the treehouse. So me not see it yet, you know. So me not even want to get the goose out of the bag. We are going down there go look on it.
When enough man I saw call last year when barrel blow, you know, and I say, me say to the man, me say, no talk about the man or the man. Me say they demand. Me say then if you don't have no choice, you don't have to stay where you are.
Stay where you're there. True, man.
No choice. And when I tell them, say, yes, them tell me, say, no. Me say, no can't go and talk, man.
Well, them say, nah, go stay there.
Them talk about. But when we come and ask right there, so when we come and ask, say, oh, Wrol, and say, turn the Wrol better you for your house up down and Wrol.
I say, we are seeing the Wrol for your house up gone, and Wrol properly. So I say, we are going to check out the tree house. So all of you can see. See. Say. Yeah, come and see when we are passing the place and green and nice, you know, man. That me I say, I never see that building. That other building the right on the top there. I don't know if you can see what I'm going. Let me give it a little zoom. See there? One building the right in there, so. And that me I say, man. And the whole of them place I did green and pretty.
Yes, I look right down in Wrol.
Yeah, there.
Pool, you turn up a road.
Yeah, you turn up a road, because when we are passing, you know, yeah. I saw my niece who are going and I say, yeah man, I hit that man because the place clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All them places.
Yeah, see there you can see, you get a beat, no man.
For all them places, yeah, alright, along to me say alright, me I go them from the gully side or so. So tell me come in back watch.
Oh, are them here you have to go?
Yeah man, don't
get some grass
and
say.
When time me, you know, say, alright, I choose then say that coming 1 hour and when me say alright, let me look on them first and go a further journey. Couldn't come in back a Wednesday morning, me turn back.
Wednesday morning I reach back down so?
Yes, Wednesday morning for a whole day rain, Monday, whole day rain, Tuesday till it broke. Take it when it's time for when you can't feed one cup break in about open at 4 o'clock, we say yes, it look like I say I calm down, you know. That time me up so. Yeah man.
Worries. You ever see nothing storm, no hurricane like this?
No, me see it but they never terrible like that one, yeah.
People say that one a wicked and Gilbert.
When Gilbert passed through the evening, you know. So I said the yard me there when Gilbert passed the time, you know.
You see him yard?
Yes. Me see storm carry down want to see that tree about his size like that. Tree there. And he carry come way down and touch and he go up back and he no broke.
And he no broke?
He no broke no man. And me see one next tree when we sit down and watch him and me just see I said the yard on the bottom side, the yard on the 1 tree boat so. This is right about so. I'm just seeing wheel him 3 times and him just do so with him and show him so.
That's she way.
When me down the road the one time me live down so when Dean blow too.
Dean.
You see Dean prop down 1 tree down there and in this wheel him and fling him over some man.
Jaja no.
Yeah,
Alright. Make we go down around here and see what go on.
All in.
Oh my boy Yamfield.
All Ivan pass through too.
Look up at my boy Yamfield gone. Cause when me walk past this, the Yamfield is nice.
Yeah man.
And nice. Look at Key and all them thing, a whole heap of Key and lay down.
Right now the younger girl mash up more than one here down.
Down more down here.
Back of your house yeah.
All that the house there, me not even see that the house there.
Yeah, for us since this time come back I do it so.
Jaja no, me never see that the part.
Some more house over so we mash up too.
Me I thought me couldn't see no building because
you couldn't see
here so it's so flourishing and full up with crap.
For the yam and the breadfruit and them.
Jaja no.
Couldn't see it man.
Couldn't see it.
For
See
enough
that?
place where you look at right now for see there. You couldn't see all up there so neither you know.
Couldn't see the inside there.
You couldn't see all up there so you know.
Me have to really watch back the video if me did see this because I don't remember seeing nothing here so. Wall are so clear. Them place are did full of vegetation man.
Yeah.
So myself we are going treehouse who want to see. Everybody been ask me for showing you this video. So if you don't watch thus far, please me I beg you to like the video and make you go through. We are look for 50,000 people to like the video. You understand? See all in through this so I couldn't even see through this so. And look how this so skim down.
That's a black all one idea and me I come down through. That's why me come on there's a Wrol me show Wrol say you this so dark you can't come through.
Full of water? Bush tear down and say
Yes. And me come on there so him say you see if you can't find anyway I me this and me just scale the fence there and come around.
Jaja
And
no.
then there's some reason to tell me move on.
Yeah, brother. But yeah, what the man name again?
Coke, light
Mr. Coke.
Yeah man.
Light Coke.
Yeah man.
Big up and respect. You know we are going short right there, you know.
Yeah man,
And see.
otherwise Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah man.
A singer name that you know.
Yeah man.
Yeah, the big singer.
No, I not really put out nothing here to know but for true me is a man, you know, me as you go and them amongst me bridging and them.
In a real. Yeah. Yeah.
No for them, man a town and cow man and say, you know, me move mounts them, you know.
Yeah.
Man, they just call me Jamaica, you know.
Jamaica.
Yeah man, for
Oh, you sing?
yeah, we can't do all, we can't crow.
You can't crow?
Yeah.
Alright, Jamaica.
Yeah man, for me move all amongst, you should know I sing a name Egyptian.
Yeah.
Me move amongst Egyptian old man, me as well a par with Egyptian old man and uncle and them and then me move amongst. That's one of the cow man for up like Western them when the Clark them.
Clark them.
Yeah.
Alright, now see how
Yeah,
big
man.
up yourself and respect.
Yeah, man.
So massive, see it there? Wrol pretty much clean up back, you know. Most of them things. Wrol, you see me just a reach, me no see you yet, down, sit down you say, you know, bro. So, you know a chap going in a family. Massive me talk to him, who you up so for make him know we reach and talk to him up so. And he fall down so first me I sit down so just to see it, you know. So massive, only if you know watch the first video, you know see say all of them places I did flourishing and bright and so see there him cut down and clean up back because him make them a fresh spring back fresh. You know look on the place same way. So you know we are gonna judge between the both video as for what really go on.
If you even notice it so quick,
Them I start spring back fresh up again.
Already.
Yeah.
By December, then go
Jaja no. See there?
see my blossom already too.
Me I tell you man, Ras even look like him they are work already. See the Ras they are a cement and clean up back. So you say one bunch of stuff and you have brighter so cause them thing I'm used to scavenge from stuff from fridge, stuff from washing machine. You don't know if people them have them deep freeze and things where them now use Wrol with a collect all of them type of stuff yeah and find the good in a them kind of thing where people that call junk, see? Stuff like all parts like them there and use them in a different ways. You understand? See how him actually broke all them thing yeah? And that them him use and make tile and walkway. You see it? Look on the place, him just capture take up all sort of a rubble and thing and put them to use. See all the board them use some of them upon the treehouse too as well. And him have them line off. So see the pool you know. See there, millions of fish in there look like. Kid you not, kind of like a millions of fish in the pool. You see me? See fish them a surface you know because when they fall the time rain a fall so they may actually they down in the water. You understand? See there? The pepper tree them over there, so then gone. Lord of mercy. The pepper tree them over there, so gone. That are the bud pepper. Oh, see one left over there, so. But the one that me normally pick from over there, so you see there, it look like it blow down. Thank God me did get some sucker from that. And see there, put in wood them place here. Gone and tear down and thing, you know what I mean? People are build back. But Wrol do a whole heap of work when it comes on to clean up already. No joke, no doubt. Wrol! Come in, my boss! Yeah. So see it there? Whole heap of fish in there. I don't know about that go down. I stay up on the surface here. I walk by, big up on myself. Whole heap of fish. So them here where Wrol actually have him own fish thing, him own fish farm where him grow him fish, them probably sell them towards the community. But he say mostly just have them for eat, you know what I mean? Him we eat him fish them and sustain himself, you know what I mean? So this is how him did it. A whole heap of clean up this Wrol do so far. So now we have a bright day, no rain, no fall, so we can see exactly what go on. We remember when him catch the fish and then just throw them up here, so can you have a little trap where he must separate the fish them. So he have some up here, so you know. You see me? And then you rather rest them down here, so. You see me? Remember I tell you about this drum here, when you used to filter the water and all of that. Him never turn it on, because I say the rain will fall and bunch of things. So him probably I go turn it on upon this episode I'm gonna see how it work. Hold on. It sounds like it actually working. It sounds like it actually working right now. Yes, man. So I don't know. Come in, my boss, Wrol. Alright, that's how we meet the first time. Alright, that's how I carry them back. See water chump out right here now. So the great Wrol. Oh my word. Come in, let me put on the talker phone for you so the people them can hear you good.
Nothing wrong with that.
My brother.
Respect and blessing, you know.
Yo, I know so I have to greet him right here. You see me? No joke, no doubt.
Blessings of hey, first of all.
Hold on, not say nothing yet, because I want them hear you.
Alright,
and hear you good.
You know what?
You see me? So
You know what?
I want to pin this on you. Hold on, the massive. Now give me a little second there. Make sure so we are here all right way. Yeah. Because all I massive them where did I worry about you. And for all of them where I wonder if you make it through, massive see the man here.
Yeah man, see me here.
The man is alright. So
Love,
you can
respect and blessings.
probably just tell them thanks and everybody will say you're
Appreciation
good.
and stuff like that. But first let me get this elephant out of the room.
Yeah.
I want to send my sincere condolences to all the persons that have been affected by this beast that has recently passed. I don't know about no hurricane, no storm, but this was indeed a beast. Because from my personal experience, and not normal.
And not normal.
But it was good. But you know what? It was a beast. It was a beast indeed. So
Jeez,
it is what it is. Blessings, love. Blessings,
Yeah, man.
blessings indeed.
I just saw him rolling.
Yeah,
Just
man,
always
yeah.
normal.
No, the thing about
Isn't
it,
it,
I always have something to do.
I always have something to do.
Because I take care of yard, I take care of house, I take care of farm, I take care. So you know, make sense for pretty.
You just have to yeah.
You know,
So-
I just watch me here a while ago.
I not even realize that at all here, yeah, like that in around.
Yeah, we just
Yeah,
watch
see
me.
how the soldier here,
Yeah.
introduce him there, see soldier here, up and running.
Yeah.
We tell them up there, so say, in name Q-tip. Q-tip.
Toothpick.
Toothpick.
Yeah.
You understand? Come in, toothpick. Yeah. So, toothpick.
this
Some of them say only Jamaicans alone can get away with them name there.
Yeah.
Tell them what his name toothpick though.
Yeah, man, so this is toothpick guy. You saw him fat. You know, you can use him and clean out your teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toothpick there. I want to go and come with that. He greet. He might come run, he come greet me. Yeah, he my big foot. See foot big picture.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
The
dog.
toothpick and big foot, you know.
Toothpick and big foot.
That is it. That is it. That is
So,
it, sir.
right,
Yeah,
we
man.
talk about the experience. Okay, hold on, before we even get to that though, you know.
Man.
See the shed then, where?
No, that's my kitchen basically. That's my outside kitchen.
The outside kitchen.
So
So what's it?
you remember the time when you come in, it did cover up, you couldn't even see
Brother,
good, not true?
me not even could I see it good, but we are
No,
going
no.
We are going to walk good on your kitchen, because you did down there and run a party now.
Listen to me, man. The
And
soup
see-
and the bonfire.
See it kitchen gone.
Eh?
But this piece of equipment here,
All right.
remember
so watch
say
you
your
now.
name get for running.
All right, so watch you now.
Explain to you how this goes.
All right, so this me have a motor right here, sir. 12 volt motor right here, so I run 2 water pump presently. So the water, it take up the water, send it underground, send it in another drum, it filter, and come over. So when we go to book now,
them water pump, sitting there, you salvage them from something?
Yes, man. We take them out of the big water pump. You see there? Look up this. Look at that hose the pictures now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Water, sir. Jump out there. That's water right there, sir.
Yeah, man. So you take up the water from here, sir. And you also take the water from here, sir. Send it up there, sir. It flow back over and see that picture. Yeah, man. So,
and you have current. You have the solar thing to charge the battery.
See solar panel up there.
So massive, remember, see solar panels, so underneath that shade that we do actually there.
Yeah, man.
And I get some shelter while the rain did fall.
Yeah, man.
So a solar panel in there. See thing at work.
Fully active.
No current.
But even though this is just a part of the project, this also is an engine. This is going to be an engine that propels and generates more electricity when it complete. This is just a part that I run right now, just to give the fish them some freshness and stuff like that.
So you have to turn this in our engine.
Yeah, man, this is basically an
more
engine.
Power.
Yeah, man. So I'm going to change the size motor, put on a bigger one, and get it activated a certain way.
That's a good. No current in the boy, but you have this around.
That me I talk about. Simple slide.
No current in the boy, but you have this around.
Even though the system not all that efficient at the moment, but
it'll go on.
It'll go on.
And guess what, me know? My general and me that I'm Mr. Coke.
Yes.
Mr. Coke, I say, you have a phone down here and go and get to charge.
Yes.
Because you don't know anything go. From battery to solar, to running in pool, make sure say fish them water kind of get
fully active.
Purify and all them things. Water jump hard, man.
They come look on the river flow.
So?
Now, my little waterfalls around here, so you know.
So how we run?
Underground coming in here, so.
Under from there, so.
Yes.
And come up in this
here, so filter through the whatever inside here, some stone and sand and dirt and something, and pitch over back here, so.
Clean water.
And then it pitch back on this side around here, so.
And flow over.
Yeah, man, so one little falls around here, so. Where the fish them come get up and full joy themselves.
And swim?
Yes.
Alright, explain to me though. Why you did show the baby fish where you're catching at that over upon that side? Because some people, I go to your comment, and I'm going to ask you a question based on where people them are. So let me find out why you put you throw a fish over here, so when you catch them out here, so.
Alright, so the thing about it is that I want to see how them grow with the fresher water rather than just we have them in the big ocean, because it is said that when you have too much fish in a one place, it kind of reduces the growth of the fishes.
Oh.
You know, so give them a little bit more space, you know, because you can see it's just a few in a year, so when you have a whole lot over there, so. You know, so the more you have in a one place, it kind of restrict the growth of them.
I get what you say.
Yeah, man, so that I go on from what I go on in. So when you have more space now, them grow according to the space. So then grow bigger.
So the big fish them, where you use catch them? When you want, say you want dinner now?
Net. Yeah, man, you net them out. It mash up right now, we need some new net, you know.
So you going to catch food now for dinner? Because remember we there now, you know, one piece of steamed fish and fried fish. Then you have to go chuck off and see what go on.
No, we can't follow them, you know. You can't follow them.
Yeah, but right. See, a mud pepper way over there say, God,
no.
You want me to pick from?
No.
The one that's still there?
No, watch this now. I catch him up, you know. I stick them and catch him up back.
Catch up by them one day?
Yeah, man, I have to strap on some cast for them. Because their foot broke.
Jaja, no.
Yeah, I have to jam stick down in it and tie them round in order for them to stand up right now.
So I say, what do you mean there, man? I tell us, I get banana, I get plants, I get mud pepper, I get all sorts of shit where Wrol could have find. Come in, Wrol, so you can lock off your thing, you know. He does go probably release one of them wire and I eat that. So you not shock you?
No, not. You don't get shocked from DC current.
Oh, you teach them now. You don't get shocked from DC.
AC is what shock you. DC give you a go. You can touch it anytime. It will burn you though if it's sparking too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but that's all right. No problem. That is it.
So
we call it code.
That's a code.
That is it. Man.
Yeah. So massive. Look at Wrol kitchen.
Yeah, man.
You don't lose no animal because
no.
The chicken them still a go along.
Yeah, man. They're fully active same way, you know. Yeah, man.
May I show you your kitchen, yeah?
Yeah, man, not wrong, man.
Okay, cause you know what thing go. We have to be mindful, see how so I don't know where I ask me, say, why I put him the one thing kitchen show?
That's all right.
Say good, man.
Out of door vibes, you know, why use that one, nah use.
Nah use.
Yeah, man.
So much when we fall in, yes, I did well cover up and thing.
Some
and
things
run
abandoned
apart.
and something in a action, see where is it? What it is, what it is.
Mrs. You still a grimy up thing.
Yeah, man. Nothing wrong with that. You have to do what you have to do, see me. Out of door body.
Yeah, massive. So see there are loads in kitchen, but being the engineer that Wrol is,
Yeah, man, nobody pay that
I
no
am pretty
mind.
sure that him not gonna pay this no
Yeah,
mind.
man, that's the simplest part of
This
the
is him
project.
outside kitchen, just mash up, you know, ray, and all of that. Me know say Wrol go engineer up something madder than this.
That is it.
Probably
That is it.
see one tree and probably make your kitchen another tree. Don't play with Wrol, cause you have 2 trees side and side. Wrol could have probably turn off right as so now in a one look up.
Hey, but I tell you something, you know, that was actually the plan one at a time, you know. But the tree, the breadfruit tree, had a tall section on it that I was expecting to give way at any time.
Oh.
You know, so with this now out of the way, then I can put the real thing in the real motion.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, man. So this is fine. You know, this is just a simple slide. This is just another step to better in life. You know, so
cool.
not everything that you seems like you lose, you really
You
lose.
really
you know?
lose.
You know, you just set in a better part so you can pull yourself better together. Is it?
My grandmother said sometimes you have to just get where you hold man and bring in.
That is it. If that one they never go,
you probably
reach.
just comfortable and say, miss me deal with
The
it.
word is complacent.
But the next thing to know, right?
Yeah, man.
Oh my word.
And look on my greenhouse.
Look on your greenhouse,
Well,
Ram.
remember, you know, when we did threaten the grape, he should have hear me.
You should have hear and
He
just
should
give
have
you
I should have just start producing.
and see then now, Melissa.
Because the thing about it, you
Actually,
know, it has no choice now to be cut except to be cut. Because there's no re-resurrection that can be made except it is cut. You know, there's no way around it right now.
if we just start fresh.
It have a cut.
So see then now, Raleigh, we go clean up a whole
Yeah,
of
man,
this.
so we'll
The
clean up
greenhouse
all of
flatten.
that, you know.
Boy, Raleigh look like a water did a run a whole of them
Yes,
go
man.
so.
Listen to me, man. There's a potential hole down here so that I need to use for a tank later on.
Or because based on how the water flow.
Yeah, man. So that did full and run over.
Down there, so?
Right there, so right this way, which way the bike that's down there. So that full and run over, a flow off of the top water, just a slide go. When you look on the water where I pitch out of the pool, and the shot go so.
So you no lose no fish not follow the flow of the water.
Alright, so the thing about it is that how the pool design is that it flow from that one, may have a mesh, and then it flow into this one, and then may have another mesh.
Oh.
So them don't get
Get caught up in a
you know, so them stay trapped on the
Trap.
inside.
That's
Yeah,
a
man.
code.
Yeah,
Well
man.
think
So,
about.
you know, you have to balance the thing away. Though.
But the meat of the matter, you know, massive.
Yes, sir.
Me make
Yes,
sure, make me way come right here, so. You understand? Oh no, look upon the tree house in the tree.
That is it.
Fully 100%, 110 standing, you know, look like one board or not a drop off of the tree house, massive. When you're looking at the distance, look on the tree house. Well set up in the like our nest.
That is it.
Well grounded and the Jamaica flag still a wave.
No, Jamaica flag just go for the drop.
It did drop. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So,
Yes,
massive,
sir.
we are going to make a walk to the tree house. For the sister, the tree house still stand. Massive, all the leaf then start grow back already.
Yeah,
see, they're
man.
green up and pretty already. Ral just had some leaf in me lose from it. And as you can see,
The upstairs rail from the balcony up at top. You see it
we are
when you
going
go
to go up there.
inside. Yeah, man.
And we are going to actually find out from the experience being in the tree house when the
Right.
hurricane did that lick. What, Lord have mercy, there's so
Beast.
much things we have to go
The
ask.
beast.
The beast.
The beast.
Yeah. So before
The
we even
beast.
go up there, so we could go that side, yeah? You understand? Yes. Toothpick.
Yes.
So,
Yeah,
so today
man.
me actually there with my family. They don't know Jamaica in 10. That's my
is it.
beautiful
Big up
spouse
Jamaica in 10
here.
again and again and
My
again.
wife. My beautiful wife here. And Kylia,
So-
my daughter. Say hi. Nobody vex no man, because you want to go up in the tree house. You soon go up there, yeah?
I soon take you up there.
You soon go up there, yeah, Kylia? All right, then, no problem.
Just a second. I hear you introducing your beautiful.
Yeah, Jamaica in 10.
Yes. So this is the sweet voice that I heard.
Yes.
Jalo,
When she called me, man, I see me just answer, man.
Listen, sister,
Beautiful.
Give me an official shake hand for that sweet voice. Hey, she's as sweet
Kylie,
as
be
the
careful.
voice here.
Yeah.
She's as sweet as the
No
voice.
joke. So me have a
Yeah,
daughter,
man.
you know, she run off of some, you don't know what kind of lithium
Adrenaline?
battery.
Adrenaline.
Yeah, me don't know where she run, cause most battery. You understand? And you have a self-charge thing, but
Yeah,
we don't have to charge it. As it run down, it charge by itself. Kylie, wait no, me daughter. So over here now, we know the white blouse now. Our future YouTuber. Kadina, you know, he might do it good. Me nah bother, you understand? No roasting, no nothing. Yeah, you all say it. Sure. So we have Kadina right here. Big up yourself. This is my wonderful niece, and I'm a virgin. Yeah, I'm a virgin. I'm a party. Yeah, so most of my video, my first video out there too. Like hotel, you did it with me and all that. And the hotel, the Royton, Montego Bay. Kadina, from she young, so she always a par with me. And Kylie is still a player, Jet Li. Kylie, hold on, man. You know, hold on. When the members say me a film and roll off my mic, you know, say anything on the talk will be against in the court of law. All right. So, yeah, massive. So, this is the treehouse. Same way. Officially up and running, still standing. No board, no gun, me no see nowhere. Roll off wicked. But any other thing with damage, the part they probably attack, we're going to go up there. And we're going to show no what go on with that before Rally even fix
explain
that.
to you how it goes also.
And Rally going to explain to me how him actually it damage and why.
Yes.
I can rectify that. Before we even do that, this now, Rally.
Yeah, man. So,
some comment did I talk about how you do the water situation now. Because I did glimpse it, but I never did elaborate on it. Because some people talk about the line we run to the from one tree to the other tree.
all right. So what happens now?
This.
So, on the top there, so, where you have the gazebo,
Yeah.
you have that top hose. So the zinc way up there, so beside at the solar panel, the water come from there, so filter and come from there, so come down into that blue drum there, so. Then it filter again from the blue drum and overflow into the black drum.
Oh, so from one forward from the top of the gazebo, which is that top one up there,
Yeah.
flow inside of this one.
In the blue drum. There's a
oh,
two
blue
drum.
one. Oh, a blue one right around there. Oh, the blue one there.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
And then it flow from the blue one, which the hose pop off in our day. I'm not get to rectify it yet. And then come down into the black one.
And full the black one.
That's right. And then me pump it now, back up, and it come back in the lower one and filter again and go back into the house and you have water there. So.
Oh, so one forward in the blue, full up the black tank, and then you have a pump on this now, we send it back,
up into
to
the green one.
And then it run from the green one. Free flow.
Filter this again.
And then it filter right there, so and then go in the house.
Yeah, man.
Jaja no, engineer.
Yeah, so
engineer!
it is what it is. Love and respect.
Engineer, rich!
Yeah,
you understand? Well, my one I video that said millionaire! Millionaire!
Just like that one. So, yeah, man. So that is how the settings set up, you know? Simple slide.
Bro. But massive, everybody worry about Wrol
man.
and the treehouse. Zine?
Yeah, man.
But you know, realize everything clean up round you.
Yes.
Left the treehouse.
Yes.
Look them massive. Remember when we talked to all a gentleman, you know? Me not even did see say.
One house down there so with no roof.
One house down there so. And I want trap, boy.
Yes.
One house down there no roof.
No roof, absolutely no roof at all.
We never see that. Who live down there Rasta
Well,
and the
nobody no live there at presently.
Right now.
Yeah.
So, alright, so the Rasta did that.
Yes, there
walk,
you go.
Remember?
There you go.
So, when they realize says a walk, you see what I treat them.
So what happened is that, what happened here says that all the leaves them blow off of this tree, and plus then they already a little bit overgrown. So as soon as the bees pass,
you limb them up.
I cut them down because I don't want to miss the opportunity of having the spring. You know, I don't want when them start spring start disturb them, you know, man. So they're supposed to come up fresh and undisturbed, you know, peaceful with fruits and flowers and stuff like that.
That is it.
Yeah, man, so you just do it decent in the early stage, you know. Don't bother lie down and play dead. You just get up and pull yourself together.
Vibrant.
Move on
at
to
the same time.
Yeah, man, same time.
While you are drilling in a pump.
Yeah, man, yeah. Because I was kept down long enough while the breeze blew.
Cheese
and that
peas.
was not really a pretty kept down master. It was a kept down where
You see it scratching. Jesus Christ. So, all right. So
Yeah,
massive,
man.
you don't know, this is the treehouse.
Yeah, man.
fully functioning, fully running. Oh, let's see
is
them
it.
gone up.
Yeah.
So this is it. So massive, for everybody where did want to see the treehouse, this is it. So we are going to take a look at what they call a tour now, a review tour.
That is
as
it.
to see.
Before
how
and after.
Yeah.
Yes,
you understand, Cause all I want to see how the treehouse was. We are going to see what it look like after, see if Wrol do no changes. And for everybody we never see a video, the first one, we know see that one here now. So we get back like a slight little review tour as to the treehouse and what the experience was like through the hurricane. Lead the way around.
All right, sir.
We take a walk, go up there.
No
You
problem at
understand?
all. No problem at
Yeah,
all.
no joke.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
Mr. Cook, yeah, easy. See it then, man. So we'll go up and think.
Yes, sir. That is it.
Yeah. Oh, I wish I left his slippers.
It doesn't matter, man. Come, as long as you don't carry it inside.
All right. Yeah, so you don't do. Yeah, so
Yeah, man.
this is it. So I try to video it away so I can see more. Because last time we did just walk, go up and thing. So I rain did that far, so I can slow down a little bit. So you have to step them, you have them railing there. See there? All the railing them still firm. I remember me telling you, say, it's time to blow you so easy as a hero, Mr. Cook. I say, and right there, so, at the chunk of the tree same way, so it still have a little step from the tree right there, so if you go underneath, you can tell, say, the toilet pipe, this will go down
That is
and
it.
go about the
That
business.
is it. 'Cause a lot, a lot
And-
of persons ask where the toilet thing go, but the good thing you show now.
Yeah, man.
That's
'Cause
interesting.
Me I watch it comment them a year when they say.
Okay,
because
good,
see
good,
them most
good.
of them are two before and thing. And mount on the tree, you know.
That
Make
is
it
it.
solid. The thing not shake. From Melissa not tear down this, I know say I eat that, you know. This I go stay here so till
That is
Wrol
it.
great grandpitney then come
That is
see
it. That is good.
Yeah.
Oh, duckans. Yeah. As long as they treat you, make sure duckans don't take it.
As long as they are treated.
Listen, duckans better than Melissa.
Duckans.
Yeah, man.
So you have to just make sure say you are treated.
Make sure no duckans don't take care of the car and just that.
Yeah. So you know
Yeah,
say I
man.
want to take care right wheel way. So yeah. We step right here so. So me I go left my slippers right here so. You see me I say?
That is it.
Yeah, Lexi not like her slippers in a Wrol. Lexi say no know what kind of jail slippers this are. I come back to Jamaica with. Yeah, Lexi say I'm jail slippers.
Jaja.
But massive when I talk it true. Look at my slippers. Me like my slippers.
I just don't like it.
Lexi says she not like my jail slippers and they comfortable, you know. Say it look like some of my slippers them I use in a prison. All right, Kyla, you stay there. So,
sir.
so massive.
Kyla,
All right, make Wrol lock up back.
right,
Right,
so-
go that way.
Yeah, closer.
See Lexi, I will sit down and I want comfortable. Kadi, I promise. Kadina is here.
And I can't be as comfortable as I want to be because this little girl is all over.
All over.
She had climbed, she had this, she had that.
All
I
right.
want her to mash up the castle.
Yes.
All right, so see it there now.
No, she
They-
mash up the castle.
Yeah, why
Listen.
she wicked and Melissa?
Well, all right.
So right now, see the passageway locked now. So you have yours so now if you can walk on. See there? Me I walk on
Fully
it.
active.
Well strong. And it's soft, Wrol, so you can use all your as a bed.
Yes,
And
yes.
nice little comfort, relax zone. No, she good. Me no want her, make her mother hold her. Cause you know say she no so you see me?
All right,
So
sir.
make we forward that side there.
Yeah, man.
All right. So massive. So we're back in the kitchen and thing. We're back in the kitchen.
Yes, indeed.
With the
So
great Wrol.
this time we don't have no avocado, but we have lemon. And passion fruit.
Passion.
And a couple of eggs.
A couple of eggs. Yeah. We say them your common
yeah,
for
man,
and
yeah,
them
man.
love in a
Natural,
better
real
substance.
Thing, realist thing.
I
That
mean,
is it. That is
yeah.
it.
So
yeah,
massive, I
and
don't know
that's
we
a
did
go
test the pipe. So this is one I water we forward from out
Yeah,
of the
this and
filter
water
thing.
we forward from this, and we can have it for quick access. Sometimes if you want a heavier flow of water, you just use this one rather than to use the pipe. Sometimes a little bit slow, but it can go on still, So
That's
is it.
cool.
That
So
is it.
the water pump thing, because massive me link me the deal me shoot down for about the
Yeah.
water pump. But which part do you want the water
Alright,
pump?
so the
for?
water pump there, that I'm going to put on the black drum that send the water up towards the green drum so it can just free flow inside here. So yeah, man.
Still have organized that,
so
you
the
know.
thing about it, one of the reasons why I mentioned a 12 volt rather than a 110 is that sometimes the 110 system fail. Not every time, but you always have battery. You know, and you always can go sub up and use the panel itself just to run that current and you're good to go same way. You know, so 12 volt is more effective for our what next word again? Hands on. You know, in most cases, yeah, the 12 volt. You know, DC. You know, DC easier to catch rather than the 110 sometimes, you know.
Alright then.
That's how you go, man. That is it. Oh, so right there, so I lose a pane of the glass right there up on the door there. Because almost at the end of the breeze, the tree, it's like the breeze just say, yo, you are going, man. Oh, I can't lift you and not tear off nothing, you know. So it pop off the piece of limb here, so. Yeah, man, it pop off a piece of limb. Yeah, it look like a machete cut because I groom it up a little bit. And dash in I do right there, so.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So I have to use when I goat them and tie there, so.
What are the goat?
Yeah,
we have a gum there.
Are the goat skin, man.
So right, so one eye limb.
Yeah, man, piece of the limb bust off there, so. And drop off in there, so, you know, so me just tie when I goat the fit. Yeah, man. So, and that's a good.
Stand up, you know, I like a little kitchen gazebo.
That is it. That is it. That is it.
If you want to drink some tea, you
that
can
is
just
it.
forward right there, so.
That is it.
A cup of tea. A cup of tea. Where one look? Where's she there?
Yeah, man. And so you see.
One little cup of tea.
And you see them a spring back.
Start spring
pretty.
back there.
Yeah, man.
Nice and easy.
Yeah,
so,
man, no stress.
Right, so fully solid. See them we as me I tell you now.
All right, so watch this now.
Oh,
as it top, what this so?
I them leave here, you say missing. I them leave here, missing.
Hey, everything come off clean, you know.
Hold on there. Make a. Yeah, massive. Me turn off out of the transmitter, the car. One for me dead, so let me just make we can hear him through the camera microphone. So when me call him and me finally get him in, I say, boy, what me lose some leaf off a tree. But here when I lose in the tree, give a better view. Yes, you can see what I go on now. So look there. We are see whole one place, one part gone way down so. Oh, see all the way you said it full up.
There you go. Yeah, man.
Okay.
I will full right up and a run over.
Run over.
Like 100 times. Yeah, man. I probably more to, you know.
Yeah.
I just shot the water one. So
mighty. So we should like them a tour, you know. Yeah, we had that saying before me interrupt you.
So you were saying that right here so feel firm and solid and thing.
Yeah, man.
Alright, that is really good. However, where you're standing right here is an emergency exit because that room round there is where the door is, as you know. Exit and entrance and exit. However, come step this way from
so this is an emergency exit.
Yes.
So
there's gonna be a rope ladder right here, so. Yeah, man. So you can go so boom.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. I slide down, you know. No, we never got.
Yes,
it's still here.
Man, Friday, yes, man. That's how we run out.
It's still there.
It's an emergency exit.
Yeah,
this
man. So we're going to put a ladder here, so a rope ladder, so you can throw down your ladder and climb down. You know, soldier man style.
An emergency exit.
Yes. And then, you know, I use it. Close it.
Firm and strong. What Wrol? Hey, you think it up?
You have to use the brain, man. You don't have it for decoration.
You know,
secure load.
You know when you have extinguisher.
Oh yeah, I need to get one of them things then. I don't get it yet.
Yeah. Alright.
In the brain.
Alright.
You know?
We're gonna start out that.
Man, so
yes, man. So one look at extinguisher now.
Yes.
And see the boy your kitchen sturdy and strong and nice where the current flow. So all the light turn on see we and good.
Fully active, man.
Water.
Fully active.
Knife blade them. What is your radar?
Yeah, this is one of them, you know.
One
fun thing.
You have your look up your blender right there, so same speed.
So what Miss Melissa did to me, she come in at them place and blow. I don't know how she reached in the crack them, how she find the groove.
Same thing on my yard, Wrol. Every little thing when you breeze wall, Melissa send water through it.
No, sorry, the beast.
The beast.
Yeah, man, send water through them place. So what me have to do now? Well, it caused me to think different. So what I probably do is mesh it and thin set.
And seal it.
Yeah, man, seal it. Just cover this, you know. I'm gonna lose my
Up
kind of
on
painting, but
both sides.
yeah, no, just the inside alone.
Oh,
And
that's
once
inside.
you do the inside, you can
Yeah,
always
good.
treat the outside with your insect thing, just to make sure so no insect not eat down the outside and stuff like that. But you can just do it thin, you know, and just seal it out properly. And that's it.
Man.
But anyway, that's a prop from Miss Melissa. Thank you for that, Miss Melissa.
If you know about that.
You know,
Oh, see it there?
so it is.
Well, onto them, you have
See
the
you.
fridge. Right, you plug in the fridge yet?
No, fridge and plug in there. We
Yep.
kind of have a little challenge with the 110 business, right?
Oh,
You know?
yeah, and remember saying no current in the board or nothing, so you just use your solar, same
See
speed.
away.
So,
Yeah, man.
see the place, yeah, and in nice, real plant
So
decor.
hold on, let me tell you already, I'm going to tell you again. The word called nice. The word called
Yeah,
nice.
oh yes.
Yeah, man.
Tell them, can me keep on use it. They say the
Yeah.
word called nice, what?
The word nice is not a beautiful word, especially coming from the original meaning. The original, well, I would like you guys to look it up and drop it on the people and comment for them so they can do it for themselves. Nice is not a word for you use. And what next one here again? Careful. Nice and careful. Look for the original meaning of those two words. Yeah, man.
I want to see what it means. I want a nice word.
It's
I
not-
know
Come on, no.
it's not a good word.
It's not
to
pleasant.
Use.
It's not
Not a
pleasant.
pleasant word to use.
It's not pleasant, you know. So balance yourself on the word.
Yeah.
Man.
So based on your kitchen, now, what other stuff we you need for your kitchen to make your kitchen even more functional? What do you think you need? Because I say it's a bus window this you use make that window, you know. I not even realize
So-
until I start looking right.
So
You know,
the thing about my thing, you know, is that I can't really put a specific thing to my thing because my thing is not like the huge Wrol. You know,
Sure.
my Wrol is a
Yeah,
different
yeah,
Wrol. It's not
yeah.
a huge Wrol.
All right. With that said,
Yeah, man, so you know, if I see the thing, or if the mind goes up and click on some idea, then we'll work with it. You know, because I can take nothing into something. You know, because this was a set of bus window that it expired out of the bus because them bus are not used anymore. All time ice. And
Yeah.
you see which one it fit, and you see it slide.
Right,
Look,
kitchen.
hold on, listen to this. That's
Clip.
locked.
simple. Boy.
Yeah, man,
Watch
so
all the
it's,
view
man.
from the kitchen. Watch your view from the kitchen, massive.
Yeah,
Watch it.
man. Awesome.
Hold on, make it clear up. Watch your view from the kitchen. No look where I go on. Look on it. Look on the view from the kitchen.
Yeah, man, beautiful.
Oh my word.
Beautiful
So
view indeed.
explain to me now what was it like when
Man,
Hurricane
Jesus
Melissa
and wisdom.
did a rock?
Let me tell you something. So first of all, I had decided, alright, I'm not going to listen to anybody's comment because the word tell us a year ago, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are good, think on these things. So for me, I always maintain that kind of vibration. They say, oh, you're welcome. Keep the mind clear. Keep the mind at a positive vibe. You know, make sure that make sure your mental state is fully active into a positive state. So when the breeze are gone, I say, Father, don't know, you know, and me and you. You know, and then you are going. So this is how my faith run work. And them say faith without works is what them say? Faith without works is dead. Yeah, thank you for that.
Yeah.
Faith without works is dead. So if you say you believe or know then of a creator that created all things, then at some point your faith going to get tested. How good are you? And I made it my point of duty to challenge this beast.
Yeah.
You know, because I have experienced one before which was at a certain number. Then I know the strength of the building and I say, alright, not even the strength of the building, the strength of the tree. And then
Strength of the tree.
Yeah, and then I say,
How long the tree are there for again? I said,
this
no, over
tree is
300 years.
Over 300 year old, man.
Yeah,
you know, and it has been through Ivan, Gilbert, all of them something.
Dean, all of them.
51 star, all of them something. It has been here through all of that and all them something. By itself, however, it never had me inside of it, you know. But anyway, so you know, so I had decided, right, I'm gonna make that run and see what it's gonna be like, you know, because again, faith without works is dead. How then can you test that your creator lives? How else do you know? How would you know?
Because I say you groom the youth, you're good, you know.
Yeah, man.
You know, if you say a while ago, your film style if you take too much water and then put it down there to make it waste. So I say you just take it back up and give him, and you know, say, yo, you better drink it off.
I know if you say nothing.
You know, if you say nothing, you just give him it back. Say, no, say, drink off the water, we not waste anything.
And him not say nothing.
And him not say nothing, no, drink off it, and put them back in cup and say,
him just know what if you do.
That's a code, man. Very principle.
So, you know, so me try to keep it on a certain level here. So, you know, whether it's for me or for somebody else, you know, once you come in my reach and me can teach you something, I go teach you.
That is it.
You know, if you don't want to take care of your responsibility, but once I have the opportunity to do it, it's going to happen.
That's a cool.
Yeah, man. So now me I tell you about the faith and the works.
Yeah, talk to Father God while this is going on.
Yeah, man. And so while all of that are going, you know, I've been really tested, you know, because, but then again, you want to run, we're going to run and go. You can jump out a frying pan and jump in a fire.
Jaja, no. You're rough.
You can't do that. So you have to go stick in it and just know, say, you want to go on. The ship are rocking and you have to just rock with the ship.
So at any point you feel like it go.
Where's it, man? Where's it? Listen to me. I can't explain to you. There are points when especially when the wind, when the beasts are going, it feel like say you want to go on. You still stand up. I'm gonna tear off the road around there. So I listen to man, and I'm gonna stick right to me. I say, yes, Father. Yes, Father. You know, so the more the tension come up, and the more me I say, yes, Father, the Lord will come.
And you're not see not give way. We know explain all that. Cause it mean about big concrete house. I did I say, Jesus, peace. The concrete feel like say I go lift way.
Listen to me. You need to keep a positive vibration. You need to keep a positive spirit. The original word is the roa. You need to keep the positive one there and make sure so you stay firm with it. Mm-hmm. You can't be wavering in your faith. You're good for nothing. You're good for nothing.
True.
It don't make no sense you stand up for something and then one lick or something you're going to take with yourself. It not going to work. If you're strong, you just stay strong.
If you're defeated in your mind, you're gone.
If you're defeated in the mind, you're gone. You're good for nothing.
Good for nothing.
Them take you and gone with you. Them take away your mental state and gone. Once them crack this and gone in the night. Your whole body defeated. Because remember, you know, the head is what control everything else in the body, right? You tell yourself, say, boy, you're sick today. You're sick, you know?
You're sick.
You tell yourself, say, boy, I'm up and beat now, I have this and this to do. I go do it.
Yeah, do you them, man. No matter what. If I broke foot you have.
Yes, man.
You do it, man.
Then, talking about broke foot you have, I watched a video in some time ago where this man look like him have unsound mind.
Mm-hmm.
See a man a push a man now a wheelchair or something like so. And the man just come and start. Put us on the for the man have broke foot and the man have broke foot.
The man get up.
Run!
The man have broke foot, get up and run.
The man have broke foot, get up and run.
This is Wrol, and this is Wrol in that true farm. There's no other Wrol. I just saw Wrol stay. I would just read that thing.
Yeah.
So, hey, maybe as a matter of fact, so I say I'll give them a tour same way.
Yeah, man, no problem, man.
So Wrol did stay firm in our mind and make sure say him stay firm in our mind through the beast. Yes. You understand where everybody is called hurricane. So this is the restroom area.
Yeah, man,
you know what I mean? Yeah.
But can I take down the shower curtain you know still?
Oh, so the shower curtain gone.
Yeah, man, the shower curtain.
Take down the shower curtain.
So I think that's the same way.
This is the beautiful bathroom here where I'll set up. Yes. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. You see me? See the drain area right there, so.
That is it.
You understand me? I say? Yeah. And we also have over here so a nice beautiful mirror. You understand me? I say look good for me.
See me there again.
See right there? He have the wash and base, so. You understand?
We kind of turn off the water.
Oh, you turn off the water, yeah?
We have a liquid plumbing issue right there.
So we are get little come out right. So Wrol turn off the water for a little a while. Cause you know say he might do some little work differently. Yeah. See the toilet right there, so.
Fully active.
You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Him have him goodies around there so to clean up. Cause he smell fresh and nice. Look like Wrol just done clean and or what, me don't know, but I smell everything fresh and nice. You don't know, man I do him everything here, so. See the shower pipe here. You know in other video him turn on him pipe and show the water run and them look a thing there.
Me today I know you never went up because no shower curtain there.
Yeah, no shower curtain not did there. And see it, this
Well,
Me not sure.
so what happened is that this pipe here was up inside here, so if we carry the water from off the roof, we come down back in the drain here, so because the tree go through it, so you have to set up a way where this thing here work as a funnel, so you go through here so and send the water down and out.
Oh, yeah, because the tree go through it, so you know water go run down on the tree.
Man, man.
So you just you bake it round and just left out and look a party, water go in.
It was nice, so water just
Run down.
Yeah, man.
Mad.
That is it.
Bathroom nice, Doral, me not lie.
Yeah, man.
What is?
A tile one.
A tile upon it?
Yeah, man. A tile bathroom one.
Mad. See that?
Yeah,
Tile and stone.
Solid one.
Nice. And you still have a lookout part too. Where you bed.
I know so the people must say why nice here or nice here.
Yeah, me still I say Jesus. So yeah, me soon fully no say that word then no good again. So and from your left from the kitchen area now, make way. You know, this is the bedroom area. So
one of the bedroom.
One of the bedroom area. So, see there? I'm close up on the bed and thing, but you don't know everything functional same way.
A piece of roof, the hurricane.
Right there, so?
That piece there.
The piece, yeah?
Push, yeah, man. I blow that piece of ceiling there up there, so.
Right there, so?
Yeah, man. But, as I say, you know, there's a time for everything under the sun. We'll get that in time, you know?
Yeah, man, go sort out that.
Yeah, man, quick and fast.
But so far, the room fully functional, everything good same way.
Yeah, man.
No joke.
So you see them lying there on the wall there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and the breeze blew it all.
And the breeze blow them look apart, yeah.
They blow it all of me feeling them, sir.
But what the good thing is that it's set up and if water come in, the water can run out.
Well, no, the water don't normally come in.
Yeah. But me I say with if the water do come in through them,
Yeah.
Place that the water can run out nice and like water goes down in ya.
True.
And nothing. TV on the wall, same speed. And the view from the bedroom. So from the bedroom you have a next view too. Where you can see. Actually. Yeah, and get some fresh air. You know what I mean? Look on the farm and them look a thing there. No joke.
Just like
see
that.
there? And then look a thing you have in one ink can put you up right up there, so.
I want to see if you say, you know.
You want to see if?
Yeah. You can lock up a strap if you have that.
Right there, so. Are you easy? Yeah, see that one big old bed. It's like I can hold one king bed to blows and square. Look good now, man. So, there's another window over there, so as I tell you.
Another one right here.
And you have another one right there, so. And things, so everything stand. I make them see say place fully good and everything nice. When you know me, I go there and I go stay over and thing and sleep and make you know the place stay through the night to the next day and thing. We go do the lower floor first. So, grow so now. So right, so just coming like a look living room, can see there?
Yes, a bedroom.
See there, a bedroom.
You drop your son, spread up your
bed.
and close the door like this.
Yeah. Oh, see there?
Yeah, man, see there.
Close up, you have your own space yourself.
Yes, sir.
See that massive? Look good.
Man. All of them can lock up. A 2-bedroom.
Yeah, man. I have TV up there so to again for your watch.
In it, man. Just
Oh
like
my
that.
word, man. Look good now, man.
Just like that.
See them? Put up back this year.
Yeah, man.
What a vibe. Lean it back up right there, so.
Same way.
I have a lookout spot right there, so too.
Same way,
I want window there, so while you lie down. If you want you lie down, open it and get some nice fresh breeze.
Lovely, just like
Yeah,
that.
man. So we are going up on the other balcony. Otherwise called the balcony.
That is it.
So we're on the balcony. You understand? So we have some nice tree house chairs here. So I call them, you know.
That is it.
Yeah, man. See, Kadina here, so I'm going easy back. Kylie are easy. Lexi are easy.
Really easy, you know.
It not easy.
At this second. These few seconds.
Jamaica in 10. So massive if you watch this video, if you want to know the facts and the real thing them about Jamaica, facts in 10 minutes or a little bit above or a little less, watch Jamaica in 10, which is Jamaica in the number 10. Alright, 10. So Lexi them on the balcony. This is the outside. Saying it's not balcony, it's balcony. You don't know, alright. So all I massive them will be in a comment say it's not balcony, it's not balcony, it's balcony. There's an artist in Jamaica named Tanto Blacks. So when Tanto Blacks in Canada, I'm not sure if it was for the first time, he go out and say, "Booby, I'm standing on the balcony."
Yeah.
You understand? The Baltale. Look at me and the Baltale. So everybody start run with it, say Baltale. And the girl that say, no, it's balcony. And he said, oh, Baltale. He said, massive, you have to see with me, my people, because you know I have list tongues, so I can't talk that properly.
And hold on,
So, we're on the Baltale.
just in case the camera catch me flag.
Yeah.
Anybody say, but in the flag, don't it?
Cheese and peas.
It drops, it drop, and the breeze have it away.
Away.
We don't get to wash it all now.
And sort it out.
Just catch it back just to save it.
Right.
You know,
Yes, on
I'll
here.
get to it in time.
Yeah.
Thank you for
No
your
joke, no
patience.
dog.
And you're
Yeah.
understanding.
You understand?
Right.
So this is one of the Baltale. And if you feel adventurous, you can just sit down on a tree trunk, the easy back, and lie down on that and just hold a vibe. You see me? Not true. Where's the Jamaica in 10?
It's a vibe.
Tell them to subscribe to your channel.
Please subscribe to my channel, Jamaica in 10. That's Jamaica in 10.
That's a code. Kalina, why your channel?
Soon.
Alright, what's it? So, see it there.
My channel.
Everything. Why your channel? You so
Papa Pig.
Okay, so this is my friend, and I must say he is very, very knowledgeable. He's gentle, he's very knowledgeable, and he's fun. Like typically me can't bother with Pitney because Pitney just but he trust me, and I'm not just saying that. Like you realize we are hang from the come. Sweet little boy.
Yeah, man, facts indeed, man.
And very knowledgeable. He was just telling me or reminding me that mosquitoes, the females are the ones that suck the blood, right? Because they need it for their eggs. And then the males, they feed on nectar. And then he was saying that okay, the females, they get the blood and then they lay their eggs in water and all of that. And I can't tell us more. You see your face look, you never know that, don't you?
No, me know that, but me I say why him know
but
that?
a lot of person, he's when me tell us that he's very knowledgeable, he's very, very knowledgeable. Trust me, like, and he's just 7 years old. He is
He's a genius, man.
yeah, man.
They rather call him little genius.
You need to see him craft the works so he can make things like really skill.
Are you teach him?
Why? Just some of them, you know, him brilliant by himself.
He's just brilliant by himself.
But trust me, like when he speaks,
Touch it again.
listen, because him
so
not
his
talk no
Toothpick.
Him not talk like when him talk.
You're good.
Him not talk no foolish.
This.
Yeah.
I'm going so good. Go
Alright,
late.
no matter what's my time. Some Spanish in there more time, or some Jamish.
Yeah. But when he speaks, I listen attentively. He's very knowledgeable. Trust me.
That's a code. So that's Jamaica in 10, my beautiful. You see me as I call it beautiful. You not give me no credit, man. You not say thank you, darling.
Yes.
You not say darling. You not say darling.
Thank you, darling.
No, people don't make you look like me pressure and so nice. No, sir, that one no Incadina. Like I know some always nice, though.
Give it back. Give it back.
Lexi,
Give it back.
don't shall make me look bad.
Alright, send it back.
Give it back.
Send it back.
Give
Throw
it
it back.
back.
Throw it back.
Yeah, that is my beautiful honey right over
No, you
there.
didn't throw it back. You have to like throw it back.
You threw it
Yeah,
back.
just throw it.
Like, so take care, my beautiful darling. That's my beautiful Jamaica in 10 right there.
Okay, thank you, darling.
Clock it. Yeah.
It is what
So
it is.
that's how we do it, you know. That's how we stay myself. I don't know me. Me can't out the road and call the other people them dally and I dally up my own.
In it, man.
I will dally up my own. So massive I go up on the other gazebo right
Go
and so.
for the heights.
Yeah, man.
I go for the gazebo, yes.
The gazebo again. So we pass the master bedroom right and so. I will take a little journey go yeah so. Yeah. So all I massive them would ask me what video so short. My first video so short.
it?
How me couldn't do a little 2-hour video. I walk through. Like no normal, man. Look how long me and the man there already.
It's
How
like
we
a
are going
movie.
see way. So see there?
Tell him tonight I come.
Glass door
Yes, sir.
and thing.
Yes,
Up here so and see there, not even glass, no liquor. If one I trail him never in swing and broke the one down there so
It
he had that one
active.
that's still there and
Yeah,
active.
man. So that is what happened for that one down here, see, you know? And then I
Yeah.
can give you the story of what happened up on the upper balcony now. Or balcony.
Baltole.
Yes.
Look at the place, man.
Yeah, man.
So
it is.
this is the only thing now where I say
Yes.
you get a lick from.
Yes. So what happened up here says that
Come in.
they
Watch out, man.
Yeah, man.
See, stool them I telling
Yeah,
about,
man.
man. Say the
Yeah,
place ready now, man. You can get to hang out up here. So Kyle here and Lex in there a while ago. I go on easy with toothpick.
That is
Yeah, so this is the only liquor I'll get. And things. So tell me now where that's now.
So what happened up here say is that there was a time when the tree was bracing on the rail. And so what I did was to tie the tree on the rail to keep it a certain way off. So what means that when the breeze starts swing the branch, it pull the rail along with it and just pull off the rail.
And pull off the rail them.
Yeah, man, just pull down the rail.
So far, so basically, are the rail them
Just the rail them. Just
gone.
the rail them alone.
Alright, we are go up the massive. So we are take a little step out. So this the
so
solar, the panel
so
them.
I had 6 panels up there, but I did some rescheduling, some reshifting and stuff like that because I did strap them down in and the breeze blow them off. Yeah, man. So we just decided,
As in a ground?
Yeah, man. See, chip all the concrete.
Oh
You
yeah.
see them
See them some cheaper.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. The panel dropped down and chipping, man. But fortunately, none of them never broke. I don't know where them use and make them something.
And none of them are damaged.
Solid. Only one of them, the thing had tear off around here, so, but it's still connected. I mean, the wire is still there, but
the plastic part move.
It still have like a voltage I got to it, you know. But fortunately, that's that. Yeah, up here is a tear off, so I'm going to do some reschedule. So you know, say I've got to come back again to see
when you finish up and thing. Remember, say me are there for spend a night and thing, you know. Me not go do it in another video because people then say they want to see what I want. So I go update them and then I go come back. Maybe when me forward, me and you just work.
Not a problem.
Set up and we do some work.
Yeah. And then the table that was here, you remember there was a table.
Yeah, one
here.
table did it right here,
Man,
so
see
come
that
on.
part there, so. That was my carelessness also. You know, I did one wrong move and the tear off. I'm just to leave it. So because refurbishing is about to be happening, or let me see, not refurbish,
Reconstruction.
no man, there's another word.
On the comment in the comment section, fast. Till right catch it.
Yeah, there's another word. What is it again?
But that, well, maybe go back
yeah.
so we can show you what really go out the
So, officer, yeah, man.
So we are going to be careful now because, hold on, but
No careful, be safe.
Yeah, we are going to be safe.
Still strong.
But even, let me say,
Yeah,
try. Oh, see there is it
There
stuck
goes.
between one limb right there, so we are hold it.
Alright, so that was a limb that me strap it on pan. And then now the breeze take it and swing it because it have it back and forth. You know, see the cable letter? You just pull it over and pull it out.
Oh, see it there?
Yeah, man, that is it.
So massive, see it there? So we still up here, so. So for y'all who know where I'm say, I want to say, boy, I walk by and afraid to tear down and sit. No, man, it's solid, man, concrete.
Solid
A
ground.
concrete there. Me say, Melissa, the beast, now get rid of it trio, so we standing up here, so me sure say that now go happen.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And see the other three panel there,
Yeah, man.
and thing.
Active them one day. Just I go and work with those. With no.
Yeah, somebody did comment why another plate there.
Alright, so this plate here, you have some Abbey seeds. They are a breed of what them call it, something, palm.
Palm.
Yeah, the outer part is edible. Also, when you crack it and go inside the seed, you have a vibe like coconut inside here. So it's edible right through, except for the husk. You know? So I want those to plant now. I'm gonna see if I can plant a couple of those around the place so I can always have them kind of food. Them really delicious. Trust me. Yeah, man.
I not even know that.
Yeah,
So,
man, it is what it is.
see it there? Other than some screw there,
Yeah, man,
I go walk on it.
I got
I will go over
reschedule.
one side. See we go right over. See we try to put my foot there. That toe no
Come on,
good.
take it easy, please.
So,
Thank you.
I want them see
Yes.
the view where we are see from right there.
You
So
can get it.
look good.
Yeah, man. Check out the ocean line. You see all of that shine we have on the far end, so that's the ocean. And then you have some water down
Yeah,
there.
cause
so we
see
flood out
that
the other day.
Massive see NRL, you know, Jamaica.
Yeah,
now.
man, that is
All
it.
of that shine part that we are see the sea.
That is it.
You
That's the
understand?
ocean.
So,
That's
the
all
water-
Black River. Oh, so hold on.
It's what, yeah.
Just in case the people must say how far you're there from Black River. See, Black River just right there, so which part the ocean line there.
Yeah, we're ocean line there.
Black River, Westmoreland. So we there basically in the outside. So the breeze that come from down here, so also come up here, so you know. So it's just that those were closer than we are here, so but
Yeah.
a Black River that
So,
right there, so
and you're the
Black
right,
River and St. Elizabeth.
and you're the right on the hill.
Right now the
So,
height.
Right, that's how it should
Yeah,
have cross.
So you come cross right there, so.
Alright, standing, see him
See
where
there?
look good.
Yeah, man. So
Well, right, so might as well you set us on now, might as well just set it one way now so people can just walk down there so.
that is not it.
Go right
That
there,
is
so.
not it. That is not it. So what I'm plan with is extend this part here. so you can get a bigger walker, so you can camp out of here if you want.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That is it. I'll
Up on the place, man.
You know?
Yeah, I remember calling him Bigfoot. So, yo, Toothpick say him a Bigfoot. So when me call him Toothpick, we must make sure say me referral as Bigfoot. So, eh? So right now we're there with Bigfoot. Yeah, so we're there with Bigfoot. Oh, massive, yeah.
No problem. Yeah,
The place nice. So this is all Wrol sustain.
Yeah, this is it.
The railing on the top.
And
Well,
you know, so
jump off.
and then you know, the knowledge has increased a year ago. I need to put a proper ceiling on the inside. A female had recommended that at one point in one of the comments, I think, but I needed, but I think probably she was thinking about something softer. However, I'm gonna go a little bit harder. Thank you for that, and thank you for the beast Melissa that did what she did.
You give some more knowledge.
Yeah, man. So you go on. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, before I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
You have one of your fan, one of a good friend of yours.
No, me not have no fun.
Well,
Support of them.
well, all right.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
a good. As a matter of fact, he mentioned family
Yeah.
that lives in New York. That he said, boy, him can't hear nothing at all from down at Darliston, Westmoreland, down the Blackout and Darman, nothing now go on. So you probably need to take a walk, go down there, go see what go on.
Which part is that their name? Darlington?
Darliston,
Westmoreland.
Darliston, Westmoreland.
Judge
So I
and
think
all.
that you have to go to Newmarket and go around this and something.
You know, I know me not reach a Black River and nothing. They are the first place me forward from. Me jump back in.
Well, guess what? Me get to a message for you, so me.
Yeah, you give me. All right. So massive.
And it's coming from New York.
New York. You remember my name?
Yes, man.
What name?
So that is Brother Mike.
Brother Mike.
Brother Mike, you can't say me not deliver your message there, sir. You can't slew me just
You do
in
it back
case.
camera.
Yes.
Yeah. So
As a matter of fact, you think we should call Brother Mike?
if you're calling, see if you can get him. So massive. Since we're there, cause to be honest with you, more time I DM them full, you know. I mean, if you take me look at time, I go through them to make sure we talk to the people them and answer sensibly.
That
So
is it.
massive. As you can see, so everybody will be now worry about Wrol. This is Wrol, and this is where Wrol face just minor damage
That is
and
it.
thing where Wrol himself I go fix back and things. See the way I go through, the on solid ground, and if Melissa no mash up this,
Yeah,
this
man.
not going nowhere.
If that beast.
If that beast,
Yeah, what?
as Wrol call it. You understand? So, see my call Mike. We can see if we can get Mike.
I won't
So,
forget you to you.
we're up on the top of the tree, in the tree house. I look on the entire Westmoreland, Black River, all of them place there. In the center camera where you see there. You see me?
We not
We not get him. Alright, so Uncle Mike, you know, so we alright, I try again. So we there massive, no joke, no doubt. I swear.
And guess what? Him have a way if he say, boy, I'm not try if he call no, so me glad cause him definitely go watch your program.
And she say you call him.
She say me a check. Oh, him lucky answer. Hear me? Uncle Mike?
Yes, sir.
Greetings to you. Greetings to you, sir. I don't think you start the program as yet, but I make sure to announce your request to the gentleman, and he's right here now, and everybody is listening to him. Talk and tell the world.
Uncle Mike, what you there with Jamaica walk by?
Yes, sir. I subscribed to your channel about 3-4 months ago before the storm, and I've been following up. And my sister did a little donation, and we're gonna do more, but I'm not hearing anything about Westmoreland, Jamaica. Can you please? Darliston, Westmoreland, Jamaica. What is going on with our little constituency?
Jaja no. Why me just fall back in a island, you know, cause me didn't have to run out, cause me did have some business where me have a funeral and bunch of things where me did have planned to go up gonna do. So
Okay.
me just reach back on yesterday today was Sunday.
Today
So Friday me jump back in and today is Sunday.
Right.
So as I said that, me I go write it down and see if me can make my way that side there, because me I go reach me I go Black River, me I go the Westmoreland side, me I go all of them places, St. Elizabeth, Treasure Beach, and see what I can do on my team.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, man. So me just want Wrol, I just want make sure and confirm to you say me get the message.
Yeah, man. man, because really what I noticed, even the I was going to say the president, I'm used to president in America, the prime minister have not landed in Darlington and the people them are suffering. And something, I don't know.
I mean, why you know, say, Anna, just me here talk to you know, because I'm still a record, so stay at your point where you want to make, and them things they say Wrol here.
Okay, I got you. So you're really talking to everybody. So basically, we just need to find out what's going on in Darlistan. We want to see the area. We want to see the people. We want to know what's going on with our lives and livelihood of all the people that live down in that vicinity.
And you say it's Darlistan.
Yes, Darlistan.
Right, Darlistan. You got it. Darlistan, Westmoreland, Jamaica. I think we are located right behind Black River.
All right, me I go try my best to see if me can make it to that side there. All right.
Yeah, man. So please do and keep us posted, okay?
All right, Mr. Mike.
And we appreciate it. We're gonna continue watching the videos. We're seeing even your videos down there with the donkey carnival. I was trying to tell Mr. Wrol that, and he said he never seen that one. So
No, I see that.
Donkey carnival.
Yeah, man, that's a good one.
All right.
Big up and respect.
Walk by, you're doing a good job.
Thank you very much, my boss.
You and your spouse and the babies, in all of them.
Yeah, man. Just say big up Jamaica in 10.
That's it. Big up Jamaica. You got it.
Big Jamaica in 10.
Oh, Jamaica in 10.
Yes.
Okay, right. I think that's your right. I
My
think
spouse
it's
channel.
your spouse. Right. Okay. Jamaica in 10.
Yes, in
Right?
10. Yeah.
Right. Okay. I'll get it right one day. As a matter of fact, I have to go tune in on her channel also.
That's a
I
code,
remember
man.
you mentioning it, but I don't think I've ever been on that one.
That's a code. All right, you take care. I'm going to close the video right so the Wrol I got hear what you say. So all the person will be in a watch and dip on the side there so who can go there can actually go and find out. All right?
Right. And big up to my brothers them in Westmoreland, all the Dells.
All the Dells.
DELLS, just like the computer.
That is it. So big up all like Dells right across the world and in Jamaica mainly.
Right, bottom Darlistan area, some is up in top Darlistan, big up everybody.
That's
and
a cool.
hopefully they get all the help that they need while we doing what we can do.
All right, now see a word. All right, take it easy. Heart of love and thank you so much for watching.
Bless up yourself. Thanks guys, all right.
That's a cool.
Respect, Uncle Mike. Blessings. We'll chat in a little bit.
Yeah, Wrol. You see there? Boy, may I tell you, say, the ramp them a ramp, man. Yeah, so.
Yeah, man. So it is what it is. And that's
So-
a go on from what I go on, you know?
So massive, we just have a little seat as we close the video, yeah. So massive, see there. We just there upon the balcony.
That
I
is
go
it.
on easy back and I go close the video, yeah. So
Blessings.
all I massive them were been a wonder if Wrol good on the treehouse. When I see it saying this
Yeah,
side
man,
of me
see
now. And that's been a great little tour a while ago.
Yes, I like-
we
I
toured
like
the
the
whole
vibes.
treehouse same speed for me gonna see exactly what I'm going.
Yes.
See one house down there so you know
Yeah,
there.
man, that also will
But-
shell off, man.
That
Shell
house
off,
look
no
like
roof.
it's shell long. Nobody never
roof.
lived there, you say?
Well, the folks had just moved out of it just a few weeks ago. Yeah, man, that was there, that was occupying it, you know, and so it looked like
Yeah.
say boy, you know, and I use that house, you know, so I can't take it.
Well, what a lucky thing they in there one time that I go on.
No, probably if they were in there, the fate would have had.
Oh,
it.
with a shift that
Yeah, man, you know, because energies are.
I get what you're saying now. Say
And I
less.
remember now, houses. If you have a house lock up and feel like say you're going to have it for your lifetime, it's not going to happen. It's going to melt down by itself.
Yeah, because you need the
Automatically.
energy.
Yeah, man, you need that energy in order to support it. You know, because a man bring it energy, you know. Yeah, man. Man with rock.
The life source.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Without that, you don't have nothing at all.
So
Yeah,
massive
man.
sit there. We're there with Wrol and Wrol, now are your time for your big up all the people them with it concern. Probably any people will call you differently. Where you get to know like
So,
say Mike there,
just
you
a
can
second.
big them up.
Just a
And,
second. Yeah, big up,
your
big up
time, you
Uncle
know,
Mike.
fi-
Big up
big
Uncle
up.
Mike. And, you know, me have a family at December. I never know that people name December, but I find out that people name December. December family in New York. Yeah, man. Big up the December family in New York. Brother David.
Brother David, you hear?
Yeah, man. Big up brother David and sister and wifey Sharon. Yeah, man.
If you have to go in your phone, go in your phone and look
Yeah,
on some of them. You
yeah,
know.
man, no,
So,
man.
let me big up some
And-
of them out of my head while you go and look. So, you don't know me, I have to big up a general 10 floor. You know what I mean? You name 10 floor. Like 10 floor up on the hotel. Yeah. So, big up my general 10 floor out of Queens, New York. You know what I mean? Big up to the Island Grill Cafe family. You know what I mean? Big up to DJ Candy. You don't know one of the biggest DJ in America and the whole Bronx, Brooklyn area, them place. They big up DJ Candy. I actually do an episode on DJ Candy. DJ Candy is a famous disc jockey from Jamaica who do big things over there in America. I do a full episode on him while I was up there too as well. So big up to DJ Candy. Also big up my General Prezi. You know what I mean? Prezi is another big DJ.
Alright, that is it.
Over there in America. So all I massive them who watches and know about DJ Prezi and a normal thing. Big up DJ Prezi. Also, me big up Aziz Ice Cream. Big up to Aziz Ice Cream over there in Long Island. So massive, wanna go and check out Aziz Ice Cream and things over there in Long Island, New York.
So Simone and David, love, much respect, blessings. That is it. That is
Simone and
good.
David.
Yeah, man.
So-
Simone and David, man.
So again, massive. Also, since we do big up, let me just do them big up here before me all forget. So big up to my general Randy Brown. Randy Brown is family. He's a UFC fighter. I'm actually at a fight last night and them thing there. We're gonna find out the fate of the fight. Me not get to get on it yet. But if you don't know, Randy is a Jamaican UFC fighter, Randy Rude Boy Brown. So please, my beg you support our Jamaicans doing great things over there and abroad. Him actually come down here too. This coming Tuesday with him in foundation for help as much persons as him can help.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? With
that
him
is
foundation. So anybody you can check out Randy Brown on Instagram and you will see the link for donate as well to the foundation for Randy Brown Foundation as you go on Instagram. His name Rude Boy on Instagram. You can type in Randy Brown and in Instagram still I go come
Let
up.
me get in one there. Mr. Ryan Skull, big up yourself.
Ryan Skull.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so I tell us if you find them, you know.
Yeah,
so big
man.
up to Ryan Skull.
Yeah,
you see me
man.
I say?
That's a natural juice, man. You see it?
Natural
him,
juice.
Him kind of get a little bit of shake up locally still, but otherwise from that, him kind of good. Big up yourself, me youth.
Oh, you
Love,
mean?
love, you know.
No ramp for
Yeah,
love, 'cause me a go and big
Yeah,
up.
man.
Also, I want big up big up to the Golden Cross over there in on 4th Avenue, which is over there in New York as well. So the Golden Cross on 4th Avenue, big up to Auntie Sandra. You know what I mean? She done a lot for Jamaica and Jamaica walk by too as well. So I don't know, every time I reach over there, I always have to go to the Golden Cross on 4th Avenue. You see me I say? So bless up Auntie Sandra, big up and respect and thank you always for your support. Also, my normal subscriber them on Jamaica walk by like Cadine Sterling, you don't know, Freestyle, Jason and Gina, and so many of you ask me why me all actually did over there. So Jason and Gina actually mother passed away and thing. I know Jason and Gina is very dear to me and them always there Jamaica once they come Jamaica, me and them I go chill. So them come Jamaica, you know, unfortunately when they go back my mother passed away. So me actually did up there for the support and the funeral and you know what I mean, to make sure so everything good because him take it hard. You see me? So big up to Jason and Gina, that's Jason and Gina YouTube channel, so they can definitely go and subscribe to their channel too as well. And yeah, hope me not miss nobody. Miss Cadine Sterling always a blessings. You don't know Miss Annette, you know what I mean, DM me and you don't know some guy from Toronto, you know what I mean. There's so much subscriber I mean, but I got to.
So one of your subscribers also Mr. Jeffrey Smith.
Jeffrey Smith.
I don't know if you want me to call out the name, but me have to call out the name with love and respect, you know.
That are
and Miss
cool.
Michaela.
Miss
Big
Michaela.
up yourself, you know, my girl. She one of the prettiest girl in the world. She's a model.
She's a model.
I don't know where she get her beauty from.
But she beautiful.
Oh, my
yeah man, them
word.
there in the world man. Beautiful. Some beautiful. And
then-
when them beautiful and then they got a beautiful personality.
Oh, crap, man.
Me glad to me
Awesome,
find
man.
one some good.
Awesome.
Yes, you have to do that.
And
So-
then here we go. There are so many others in the but right now.
Brilliant.
The brain tell your father them yeah.
I mean, don't dig them up.
But listen, guys, for all of you guys that have been checking on me, I mean, the calls have been numerous, the texts have been numerous. I can't tell you. I am here. I appreciate you all. And, you know, as time goes by, I'll get to know you some more because I know you guys will keep in touch. And I'll get to know you some more. You can get to know me some more also and so forth and whatever. But I'm always here. If I miss your call or I miss your text, don't watch no face. I'll get right back to you.
Yeah, because every time I call him and I not get him, I can look out for see him call me.
Yeah, man. So, it's a guarantee because me always depend on work. So remember, me is a baby daddy. Me is a maintenance man. Me is a farmer. Me is a builder. Me is a landscaper. Name it. Is there more? Interior decorator. Exterior decorator. Chef. Carpenter. Plumber. Electrician. Everybody in one. So when you can see me come back and get back to you, you know, say, boy, I appreciate everything. Every step of the way. There's no beat that miss. You know, cool. I will definitely catch up with you, all right? And if you feel like, say, I forget you and I don't mention you, trust me, I'm going to come back and I will mention you. Just tell me, say, Ron, you need to call me name.
And that's it.
Yeah. and I will definitely put you down in a I wouldn't call it Cat Erlag.
Yeah, we're calling Cat Erlag. You're good.
yeah, man. Love, respect, and I appreciate you all, guys. I appreciate you all. Lots of love. Lots of love for the encouragement, the support, and for not just even that, just for loving the fact that I do what I do and I'm doing what I'm doing naturally. Love that. Yeah. All right.
I feel like people ask if we can get Wrol to build one film. Not call him, man.
Yeah, man. Call me when I talk to him, man.
You don't know if he can do it for Udo, but call him, but I talk to you, man.
Listen, you can't call me one time, you have to call me so that I can arrange up my mind and the heart, you know.
Yeah.
I listen, if you talk to me once and it seems like you don't get nowhere, no watch no face, just come back again. I like to work on interest, you know. All right, let's say for instance, let us go into this for a bit.
Yeah.
I practice a thing called reflexology, where it's a therapy where it's a natural therapy where we encourage people on what to do, how to do, if you take care of themselves, self-help and stuff like that. If I find out that I come into you from time to time and you not really take heed, I'm going to leave you alone, you know. Because I like this when time people get justice and them get real justice, you know, and not just love for just see me. I hear from me. No, my life is when you recover, you know, you're coming on, you're getting proper.
Yeah,
I don't want to just collect your money if that's the case. That don't really benefit me. My benefit is when you come back and full of joy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I see result.
I see result. That is where my benefit comes.
Yeah,
That's it. So,
true,
I'm not going for what I go on, man. It is what it is. So keep on calling. You know, don't just feel like say why him busy ass or him not pay me no money or anything like no, and I say go.
Give him a next call. Because some tell them to you know.
Yeah, just
say you link me one time and I get me, you have to link me back again. Man.
Yeah, no, it's just
because to be honest with you, I'm gonna roll out my thing. One time me have a number out there, so people message me. See, sometimes they message the way me take all 2 hours, you know.
Yeah.
Me dip on my phone and answer to people, you know.
Yeah.
And then when me reach far enough, people are text you and it are coming back at the top. So me just say sometimes you don't hear from me, just shut me back and look a message. If I want text, I say walk by. If you come at the top, so me can get to see and reply to it. So at them thing that me always I tell them. You see me I say. So massive Manchester where they don't know me, I feel big up every time. And Wrol, it's a pleasure. Always and sitting. Me know say someone probably watch and say I hope I don't close the video. If you go walk go down at the house lift up. If me follow them in a done film, you know. You understand? And with there, I want to hold back a little vibe and sit. Maybe rather go catch 2 fish and steam 2 fish and make some soup.
As a matter, you know, say me buy one fowl, because I jerk that fowl in a roast him or something.
It's a roast him.
You push one piece of the tree and light one fight out of the style and just go and you get one leg, you get one quarter.
Yeah, Jesus. So massive, I don't know. It's just a vibe, it's an energy. Wrol is good. The treehouse is great. I'm going to be back and you don't know what a vibe here. So all my members on Jamaica Walk by Wrol, I can't forget my members now. Yeah, so I don't have a lot of members on Jamaica Walk by. I hope to get 1,000 members. I don't think I reach 100 members yet, but to subscribe for membership is just like $1 a month. We just try to make it as simple as possible to persons who actually want to donate differently. Just
a second. My people, do it for me, please. Thank you very much.
You hear that?
please.
Yeah.
Support
Support the
them,
thing, man. You see me? So all my members actually they know. I super appreciate every single one on the way. So what about me? Let's go give $1 a month. You can go get some gas differently. Do this, do that. I may say me not have 100 yet, but me still grateful to everybody who is a member. If you be a member, if you're America, you can look right below the video. You see join, and you can just press join, and I an easy thing. You just and it got you YouTube channel like a bundle thing or nothing. Or if you're looking at the description, you'll see something say to subscribe for membership. Click the link here. You can click the link and it will take you to the same place.
And
you
the next thing again, we don't, well, not we don't, but I don't ask for any kind of funding from any external nothing. If you see my number and you want to give me a call, you give me a call, and if you want to give me a something, you give me a something. If you want to call me, say walk by and get you to walk by or whatever.
But if then get you to me have to go tell them say I have to get you to you.
Right,
because with me
So because one of the reasons for saying this is that there is a video going around now currently on TikTok. Where somebody is saying that the man and his family live in a one place and whatever and it start going with it. Make sure you don't donate anything to that thing there because we're not begging anything like that.
Yeah.
All right.
So when I say
want to support the thing.
In layman term, there's people I put up video I say Melissa tear down the tree house and the man and family destroy the tree house and all of them. So it's a blatant lie. As you know, she say the house is here perfect and everything good. So other than you calling Wrol number himself, or if you call Jamaica walk by, me I go still direct you to Wrol. You see me? So me make sure say me put Wrol number in the description below. So if you want to talk to him or donate to Wrol himself, the number we see in this video description and the one I did on the treehouse first in the video, a Wrol personal number that you can call him and talk to him and you can reason if you want to donate any equipment, any whatever it is. You can talk to him directly. You understand? No middleman, no Jamaica walk by no middleman. So none of that you talk to Wrol himself. So massive heart of love, respect. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you really watch this far to the end, I'm gonna say a keyword. Say I support Jamaica. Once you see the end of the video, you know say you watch to the end, just write in the comment section when you comment say I support Jamaica. You see me I say, I'm gonna see say you watch the video to the end. So
hold on just a second. That sound like it's a code, right?
Yeah, it's a code. It's a code.
That's
so
good.
Anybody will write I support Jamaica in the comment section, actually watch it to the video. The video to the end. You see me I say? Right. So we are gonna know all that person will actually watch the video to the end. You just write I support Jamaica. Or if you want to say I support Jamaica walk by, me know say you watch to the end of the video. So big up and respect. And my members, please have me explain join membership, and I mean heart of love. Please subscribe to Jamaica in 10. That's my spouse channel too as well. And before I close the video, we're gonna just walk out of the treehouse and go down on the ground floor and just say, yo, big up. You see me I say? And Miss Kadid Sterling, I super appreciate you so much always supporting Jamaica Walk By and all my Jamaica Walk By subscriber. If you watch the video too as well and you're not a subscriber of Jamaica Walk By, please I'm asking you to subscribe to Jamaica Walk By now. And we're road to 300,000 subscriber. Just a few more to go. So please may I beg you subscribe to Jamaica Walk By and please like the video. Me ask them for 50,000. In the other video, me ask them for 10,000 and they say them better than me. 10,000 is nothing. Yeah, they make me look bad. So since you don't make me look bad, I war on there now. So me ask you 50,000 subscribers upon that video. Yeah. So I say 10,000 a little bit of likes and thing. So no. 50,000 likes. So I say 10,000 likes a little bit. A DB number that. So no make me look bad because I'm running up nearly 30,000. So me ask you for 50,000 likes in this video. Thank you so much. Heart I love my Jamaica Walk By as we make our way out of the treehouse down on the ground floor. See? Right, remember anybody else you want to give a link?
I'm there look for again, you know.
I'm there look for.
As a matter of fact, I'm there try to look for the name of the juice place just to make sure so me have it right.
You say it right. Yeah, man. So
I see him General Ryan Skull, Jamaican, I see him way. So me have to make sure say.
You say it thing right.
Yeah, man.
So big up.
Oh yeah, man. Say Skull Natural Drink.
Skull Natural Drink.
Big up yourself, me out. See him there.
That
him cool. That is it.
Big up
me out. Remember
That is
you.
it.
Love
So,
and respect.
big up everybody in New York. Big up all my Jamaica Walk By subscribers over there. 10th floor, me nothing me I go me no big up nobody who. So everywhere where me did go over there to big up the cafe, you know what I mean, everybody over there in New York. And big up to the Jamaican man who link me in the Island Grill and buy me a drink. One subscriber.
That is it.
I said, no man, me good man. Him I said, no man, me have to give you a drink walk by.
mean?
And I said, my wife, me not go feel good if you not take it, you know.
Yeah, no,
and I
sir,
say,
you can't disappoint the
Jesus
man
Christ.
like that, you.
And I say, well,
You
me
try
can't do that
refuse
to me,
your
man.
drink and really
The
bust.
man said, listen to me, man, walk by. You have to give you a thing for buy a drink,
man.
man. And I say, no man, I'm good man. The man said, listen to me, I feel bad if you not take it, you know.
That
So,
is it.
yeah?
That is it.
Come, Lexi. So, Lexi say must big up the Browns family
Well,
from Maypen Church of
no,
God.
She said she want to hear it from me. She want to hear it from me.
You want
Yes.
Miss Ilian Brown?
Miss Elaine Brown and your daughters, Brown's family from what, Maypen Church of God. All right, you hear that? Big up yourself, sisters. I am there here and I'm quite fine. Thank you very much.
That's
All right?
cool.
Yeah,
No,
man.
no doubt. So yeah, everybody else who we miss or who we not get to say big up to, but all my supporters and subscribers them on Jamaica Walk By, I thank you guys so much. When I watch the videos them and me ask if you like, me ask if you leave a comment. So please always remember to drop a comment in the comment section. So see there. That's all those our piece I reeling off of the baltole.
Yeah, and I'll be working on it sooner than later.
That is it.
Because the place needs to look appropriate. So when you come and visit, you can have a decent place to come and look and take in that view down
That
there.
beautiful view
Lovely,
down there.
right?
So massive
That is
heart of love, mad respect. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, you watch to the end, please. Say, I support Jamaica Walk By. See?
That is it.
Blessings and love. Mad respect to everybody. That's your code.
That is it. Yeah, man. Yes. Yes, I'm rich in
Yeah.
love, but naturally I'm a papa.
Yeah, Wrol ain't telling us I'm a singer. Yeah, so we'll go down on the next floor there. You see me?
Yes, indeed. Well, you go around this side, you go for the outside.
Yeah, man, we'll go right down on the outside.
Up on the outside.
Yeah. And
So we need to...
see it?
Yeah, man.
Then you
So we
just
need that.
catch it right there, so.
In the meantime,
And thing. The meantime, between time.
that is it.
Alright, see it there.
Line up the slides.
Hard.
I'll take care of that one. You know?
Yeah, the left foot here not so right, you know, see me?
Yeah, man.
So, you see what I go on there, so. Yeah, go down.
Take it easy.
Yeah, true, you know me now.
Take it easy.
Mash up that toe, you know, so touch it to a while ago and say, yo, careful you.
Take it easy.
That's it there. Nice and easy, hold on, and you go down. That is it.
Where is it? Oh, over there, sir. Yeah,
Oh.
me did kill you one time.
Me never realize you're still there, but Mr. Cook. You go and turn back. You go wash off.
What's quick one?
After it, man. No joke. I want to sit there. Place is nice, place is beautiful. And we're there. Yeah, man. The treehouse.
Yes, sir.
Still here, fully functional, fully nice. Mr. Cook.
Bless
Mr. Cook saying, oh, stop gone.
Yeah, man.
Man, this crossway,
The crossway, so.
yeah, man, this crossway growing, so you can't stand there cross over there.
Jaja, no. I see house down there, so. We're fully
Yeah, man. Fully stripped.
stripped.
Yeah, man. Fully stripped.
Cheese and peas. How far already? Come here, I see house right there, so still.
Not far. Well, not to me, you know, it's a countryman thing. If you want to go down there, so I'm pretty piece of view, so like you can go on.
Cheese and peas. Here, Kylia. Yes, Kylia. Come here.
Rough. Rough, it's a girl, you know.
Yeah. You like it? You know, Jamaica Walk By.
Just a second there. Any if you need, stand.
When name?
Stand. Stand. Come here. Stand. Come here. Don't do me like that. Stand. Come here.
Stand, come in.
What?
Stand and say no video me.
He must have left him too long and put him in.
Yeah, Gala, go on with your business.
Anyway, stand.
Yeah,
Stand and say, what video thing for?
Eh?
What video thing for? Stand, come.
No, we don't.
We do.
We don't do that. We don't do this to stand.
So what you do to stand? You just call stand.
You just call stand.
Stand, come down,
You
man.
don't go like him shine now. Not true. Eh?
I'm good after your
You
time
just
too long
stand.
from him.
Yeah, alright. Cheers,
This
crowd.
done, daughters.
Cheers, crowd. Cheers, crowd. Come here, man. Come here, man. You
Yeah.
make a thing look, sir.
Stop going to man. He start.
Watch it. I mean, I say him a run for me. Watch it.
He don't want the camera thing, man. He will pick me.
No, you don't pick it.
I'll go and stand. Yeah, hold them stand. Pretty, man.
Stand up, come go like same
Yes,
shy.
stand. What's that? I'm a flinger.
Yeah, man, yeah. Stan. So
Yeah.
the original name is Cock Stan.
Cock stand.
Cock.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is
so
it.
it's Cock Stan. So
Cock
Stan
stand.
for sure.
Jaja do.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
this
man,
is
don't joke.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
just cutting short, you know, but it's really Cock Stan.
Massive is a vibe, it's a nice video. Hold on, make we go check sir.
Sell they know.
Me not tell them, see, a wire fence.
Yeah, and that does.
Oh, that one I want to
You
go.
want to take care of my the plant them.
Alright.
I love you plant them a certain
So
way.
yeah, see the tree house there. Right in a distance there. Beautiful, wonderful. No joke. Massive, if I follow me, in a top video, you know. But I don't know, we like to show them what I go on. I know someone now say, if you walk, go down there. Like say you want to make a walk, go down there? You want to see down the road? We done the bush already.
I'm doing it, but my hands are so completely full with kind of.
Oh my word. So, Wrol,
Yes, sir.
Art of Love, man. We're there. Great vibe, great energy.
You can't believe
I
that
swear.
I even a run for me.
Hey, look on him now. Hey, see what jump down there now. Hold them. Cock stand.
Yeah, man, Cock Stan. That is it, man.
Yeah, man, that is it. See the tree house there. Man, what a view. Look over there. Pretty.